This is English conversation practice for beginners.
And today, we're doing something really fun. We are reviewing the best conversations from this week.
So if you are new here, welcome. And if you watched this week, this episode is for you.
Let's go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We are so happy you are here today.
Every week, we practice English together. Simple English, real conversations, no stress.
That's right. We talk like real people, not like a textbook.
Yes, no robots here.
Definitely not. So, Sarah, what are we doing today exactly?
Great question, Mike. Today is our weekly review. We are going back to the best conversations from this week, and we are practicing them again.
So if you missed any videos this week, no problem. You can learn everything right here.
And if you did watch this week, this is great extra practice for you.
Learning English gets easier when you hear things more than one time. So let's do this together. Oh, before we start, Sarah, can I say something to our viewers?
Of course.
Okay, so if you like this kind of video, if you want to practice English in a friendly, simple way, please subscribe to Easy English Podcast.
It's free, and it really helps us make more videos for you.
Just press that subscribe button. It takes 1 second.
And if this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up. That tells us, hey, I like this, make more.
And share it with a friend who is also learning English. Learning together is so much more fun.
Okay, now let's start.
Let's go.
So, Mike, this week was a really good week on Easy English Podcast.
It was. We covered so many useful topics.
We did. And you know what I love about our weekly review?
What?
It's like a second chance, you know? If you didn't understand something the first time, now you can hear it again.
Exactly. And repetition is so important in language learning. When you hear a word or a phrase many times, it goes into your brain and stays there.
That's true. So today, we are going to review 3 main topics from this week.
3 big ones.
Yes, topic number 1, introducing yourself.
Topic number 2, talking about your daily routine.
And topic number 3, saying what you like and don't like.
These are everyday topics. You can use these today, in real life.
Okay, viewers, stay with us. We are going to practice each one. And at the end, we'll do a full practice conversation together.
So don't go anywhere.
Okay, topic number 1, introducing yourself.
This is the most important thing in English. It's the very first thing you say to someone new.
So, let's practice. Mike, pretend we just met. Introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello, my name is Mike. I'm from the United States. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now, viewers, did you hear that? 3 simple sentences. Let's look at them slowly.
Sentence 1. Hello, my name is Mike.
Very simple. My name is blank. You just fill in your name. For example, my name is Sarah.
Easy, right?
Sentence 2. I'm from the United States.
I'm from blank. You say your country or your city. For example, I'm from Brazil, or I'm from Japan, or I'm from Egypt.
Any place works. And sentence 3, nice to meet you.
This is very polite. When you meet someone new, you say, nice to meet you.
And the other person says, nice to meet you too.
Let's practice that together. I'll be person A. Sarah, you be person B. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, my name is Mike. I'm from the United States. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Mike. My name is Sarah. I'm from Canada. Nice to meet you too.
Great.
Now, viewers, you try it. Pause the video right now. Say your introduction out loud. My name is blank. I'm from blank. Nice to meet you.
Say it. Don't be shy. Nobody is listening except you.
And you can also write your introduction in the comments. We love reading them.
Okay, one more thing about introductions. Sometimes people ask, "What do you do?" This means, what is your job? What do you study?
So, a simple answer is, I'm a student, or I'm a teacher, or I work in a hospital.
Keep it short, keep it simple. You don't need to explain everything the first time you meet someone.
Short and friendly. That's the goal.
Okay, topic number 2, talking about your daily routine.
Ooh, I love this one because everyone has a routine. Even if you think your day is boring, it's actually very interesting to talk about in English.
Even boring days make great English practice.
Exactly. So the key words here are time words. Words like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night.
And action words or verbs like wake up, eat, go, work, study, sleep.
Let's build some simple sentences together. Mike, what do you do in the morning?
Okay, in the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I drink coffee. I love coffee.
I know you do. And after coffee?
After coffee, I check my phone. Then I get ready for work.
Great! Now, viewers, notice how Mike used the word then. T-H-E-N. Then means next, after that.
It's a very useful little word. First, I do this, then I do that.
It makes your sentences sound natural and connected.
Okay, Sarah, your turn. What is your morning routine?
Okay, so I wake up at 6:30. I know, that's early.
That is early.
I know, but I like the morning. So I wake up, I make tea, not coffee, tea.
Interesting. We are different.
Very different. And then I do a little exercise, just 20 minutes. And then I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually eggs or fruit, something simple.
Nice. Okay, so viewers, did you notice? Sarah and I have different routines. That's normal. Everyone is different, and in English, that makes for great conversation.
Exactly. You can ask someone, what time do you wake up? Or what do you do in the morning? People love to talk about their day.
Let's give viewers some useful questions they can ask and answer.
Okay, question 1. What time do you wake up?
Simple answer, I wake up at blank. For example, I wake up at 7.
Question 2. What do you do after work? Or what do you do after school?
Simple answer, after work, I usually blank. For example, after work, I usually cook dinner. Or after school, I usually do my homework.
And question 3. What time do you go to sleep?
Simple answer, I usually go to sleep at blank. Like, I usually go to sleep at 10:30.
These are so useful. You can use them with friends, with coworkers, with anyone.
And remember, you don't need long answers. Short is fine. I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast, I go to work. That is perfect English.
Perfect. Simple is perfect.
Okay, stay with us, everyone. We have one more topic, and then we do a full practice conversation at the end. Don't leave.
Topic number 3. This one is really fun. Talking about what you like and what you don't like.
This comes up all the time in conversation. Somebody asks, do you like this movie? Do you like spicy food? Do you like this weather?
And you need a quick, natural answer. So let's start with the basic phrases.
To say you like something, I like. For example, I like music. I like coffee. I like this weather.
And to say you really like something, you can say, I love something. For example, I love pizza. I love English.
To say you don't like something, I don't like. For example, I don't like cold weather.
Or, I'm not a big fan of. This is a softer way to say you don't like something. It sounds more polite.
For example, I'm not a big fan of early mornings.
Unlike me.
Very unlike you.
Okay, let's practice. Mike, do you like cooking?
Honestly, I'm not a big fan of cooking. I like eating, but cooking is hard work.
Okay, that's fair. Do you like watching movies?
Oh, yes, I love watching movies, especially action movies.
Interesting. I prefer comedies. I love movies that make me laugh.
See, we're different again, and that's good. That's a real conversation. Two people with different opinions.
Now, viewers, here's a tip. When someone asks, do you like something? You have a few options.
Option 1, short and simple. Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't.
Option 2, give a little more detail. Yes, I love it. I watch movies every weekend.
Option 3, be honest but polite. Not really. It's okay, but it's not my favorite.
Not really is a great phrase. It means I don't like it very much, but it sounds gentle, soft.
Let's try one more. Sarah, do you like hot weather?
Yes, actually. I love warm weather. I love the sun.
I do too. Although very hot weather, like 40 degrees, that's too much for me.
Yes, that is too much. So you can also say, I like it, but not too much.
Or, I like it when it's warm, but not when it's too hot.
See how natural that sounds? You're adding a little condition, a little but.
The word but is very powerful in English conversation. I like this, but not that.
Great point. Okay, vocabulary moment. Let's review the key phrases from this section.
I like.
I love.
I don't like.
I'm not a big fan of.
Not really.
I like it, but not too much.
These 6 phrases, you can use them every single day.
Okay, everyone, this is the part we promised you at the beginning, our full practice conversation. We are going to use everything from today.
Introducing yourself, daily routine, likes and dislikes, all together in one natural conversation.
Watch us, and then you try it with a friend, or you can practice both parts yourself.
Ready, Sarah?
Ready? Okay, let's pretend we are meeting for the first time.
Hi there. My name is Mike. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Mike. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you, too. Are you from here?
No, I'm from the United States. What about you?
I'm from Canada, so not too far.
Neighbors. So, Sarah, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I work in media. So, do you like teaching?
I love it. I really enjoy working with students. It's sometimes hard, but very rewarding. What about you? Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I love it. It's creative and every day is a little different. I like that.
That sounds great. So, what do you usually do in the evenings, after work?
After work, I usually cook dinner. Well, I try to cook dinner, and then I watch TV or read a little. What about you?
After work, I usually go for a walk. Then I make tea and read. I'm a big reader.
Oh, nice. What do you like to read?
I love fiction, stories, novels. What about you? Do you like reading?
Honestly, I'm not a big fan of reading long books, but I like short articles, news, things like that.
That's fair. Well, it was really nice talking to you, Mike.
You too, Sarah. Hope we can chat again soon.
Definitely.
Okay, did you hear all of that, viewers?
We used every topic from today. Introductions, daily routine, likes and dislikes, and it felt like a real conversation because it was.
That's what we want for you. Natural, easy, real English.
Okay, let's do a quick, friendly review. What did we practice today?
Number 1, introducing yourself. My name is, I'm from, nice to meet you.
Number 2, talking about your daily routine, using time words like in the morning and in the evening, and connecting words like then and after.
Number 3, talking about likes and dislikes. I like, I love, I'm not a big fan of.
And we put it all together in one natural conversation at the end.
You are doing great. Seriously, if you watch this whole video, you are learning, you are improving. Even if it feels slow, it's working.
Trust the process. Small steps every day, That's how fluency happens.
Okay, now it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
In the comments below, write your own short introduction. Use what you learned today.
You can copy this and fill in your own information.
Hi, my name is, I'm from, in the morning, I usually, I love, nice to meet you.
It can be short, it can be simple. It doesn't have to be perfect.
We will read your comments and we will reply. So come on, write something. Practice is the most important thing.
There is no wrong answer. Just try.
And if you have a question about anything from today, ask us in the comments. We're here for you. Thank you so much for watching Easy English Podcast today. You are amazing.
Truly, the fact that you are here, practicing English, working on yourself, that takes courage, and we are really proud of you.
Every video you watch, every word you practice, it adds up. You are getting better, even when you can't feel it yet.
Keep going. Don't stop.
Now, tomorrow we have a brand new episode and it is a good one.
Yes, tomorrow we're doing English Conversation Practice for Beginners, Everyday Situations, Part 3.
We are going to practice real conversations for everyday life. Shopping, restaurants, asking for help. Really useful stuff.
You do not want to miss it, so subscribe if you haven't already and come back tomorrow.
We will be here waiting for you with coffee.
And tea.
And tea. Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.